Annie and Bonnie are running laps around a 400-meter oval track. They started together, but Annie has pulled ahead because she runs 25% faster than Bonnie. How many laps will Annie have run when she first passes Bonnie? That is, when she has run exactly one full lap more than Bonnie. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Here is the key idea. Annie runs 25% faster than Bonnie. So her speed is 1.25 times Bonnie's speed. Since they run for the same amount of time. In the time it takes Bonnie to run B laps, Annie runs 1.25 times B laps. Annie first passes Bonnie when she is exactly one full lap ahead. So the number of laps Annie has run minus the number of laps Bonnie has run equals 1. That gives us 1.25 B minus B equals 1. Which simplifies to 0.25 B equals 1. Solving. B equals 4. So Bonnie has run 4 laps. Now find how far Annie has run. Annie has run 1.25 times B laps, which is 1.25 times 4. And that equals 5 laps. So Annie has run 5 laps when she first passes Bonnie. That is answer choice D.